Welcome to Let's Make Dinner, your audio library of amazing dinner recipes you can get on the table any night of the week. I'm your host, Susie Weinrich. All right, I have a confession today. I fully have a secret food love. Do you have any foods that you love that's like, oh God, do I admit that? I super duper love hot dogs. Like, I really love hot dogs. I don't know if it's from my childhood or what it is, but I love a hot dog with like a steamed bun and a really good all beef hot dog that's garlicky and oh my gosh, they're so good. I know it's like bits and pieces, but it doesn't matter. Like, I don't know how the sausage is made, and I don't care because I absolutely love it. If you love hot dogs, stick around today because we're making a quick stovetop chili to make chili cheese dogs. This recipe is only going to take you about 15 minutes to make. You will definitely have dinner on the table in under 30 minutes. Before we get started with the full, easy stovetop chili recipe, I want to talk about heating up your hot dogs. So, of course, you could grill them, you can poke some holes in them and pop them in the microwave. But our very favorite way to cook hot dogs is to actually boil them in water. I think that's how they do it at baseball fields or if you've ever had hot dogs at Costco. And they're not boiled in water, but they're more steamed. And there's just something about that method that makes your hot dogs super delicious. Fill up a pot of water and just pop all of your hot dogs in and simmer them for the 15 minutes while you make this chili. To make your quick stovetop chili, to make your chili cheese dogs, take a large pot and pop it over medium heat. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. And while that heats up, go ahead and dice up 1 medium-sized white onion. Then pop that in the hot oil and saute it for anywhere from like 3 to 5 minutes so that it just softens up a bit. Then add 1 pound of ground beef and crumble it while it cooks through and browns. When the ground beef is fully cooked, go ahead and drain off any grease before you move on in the recipe. Next, you're going to pour in a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, and then we're going to measure in some spices. You need 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, and finish that off with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Give that all a really nice stir and let it simmer together for about 2 minutes, and that's it. Your chili is ready. And if you put your hot dogs in the simmering water, your hot dogs are also ready. For assembling your chili cheese dogs, I just like to set everything out for people to kind of make their own because everybody kind of likes their own toppings. Pull your hot dogs out of the water, set the chili out, and then some other additional toppings you might want to have is, of course, cheese, and then maybe some diced white onions, pickled or fresh jalapenos, diced tomatoes, lettuce, of course, mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, relish, and maybe even some crispy bacon. For side dishes, I recommend just to keep it pretty simple. Anything that's like a summer barbecue side dish will work here. Chips, French fries, corn on the cob, potato salad, corn salad, coleslaw, anything like that will pair perfectly with your chili cheese dogs. Of course, I will link the full printable recipe in the show notes so you can find it when you're ready to make your chili cheese dogs. That's it for today. If you are enjoying these episodes of Let's Make Dinner, I would love it if you would subscribe or follow in your preferred podcast player. Until next time, I hope this episode of Let's Make Dinner makes your dinner time a little easier. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the field. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever come back, 'cause it's root for the home team. I don't know, 'cause it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.